Good morning. It's Julie Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you with a pour today with the Mont Marte pouring paints. So these are paints that are pre-mixed, you don't have to do anything to them. So I'm going to use these colours because I've got lovely selection here, and I'm going to use them to do a swipe with. So is that what I'm going to do? No, actually, yeah, I think we'll just go with it. And I've just got another idea to do a diagonal flower band with some negative space. I just thought that might be a nice change. Previous canvas I scraped because I wasn't happy with it, so it's got the bit of black still on it, and I'll pour a bit more black over it, or I might go navy actually, a little bit less harsh. And then I'm going to use these paints. So without further ado, I'm using Mont Marte paints today. So this is, I've pre-mixed a navy into this container, so I use all my old containers. So here we go. These hot pink, so they've got nothing added in these. I'm just pouring them directly from the bottle, squeezing them. Just got a bit of paint stuck on the top, so I'm gonna try doing my normal craziness. So it's like bright, and this one is called, just hot pink. Okay. Oh, got a itchy nose. What's that mean? A surprise. Oh gosh, I hope it's a nice one. And this is the just pink. I'm giving them a good shake. They're very highly pigmented paints. A small amount goes a long way, so don't go too crazy with them, because a small amount does go a long way. That one, sunsetty colours. Okay, I'll go the coral. If you're not liking pinks, obviously there's lots of other colours, but a really nice gift to give in pinks, like for my granddaughter. She's, or did I just use that one? I must have. Is that the same? Oh no. This one is the cadmium red. So this is going to change the whole look of the thing. Hopefully send it like a sunsetty colours. So remember, you haven't got to do anything with this. You've just got to pour away, so you haven't got to get stressed out thinking, oh, I've got to mix paints and got to get it right. I'm going to use just a bit of bright yellow in here, some spots. Okay, let's do that one for now. Should I stick one little bit of a dark colour in there, which I'll go with, where's my ultramarine blue, a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm gonna, so if that's not bright and uplifting, it's like an ice cream parlour. There you go. So I'm just going to give it a gentle tilt. Would I swipe with the white, I think, or should I give it a darker? Oh, might go. Let me just see this very end. I have some of the dark blue, dark navy made up. I'm just going to do this very end and see what it looks like in the dark navy swipe. see how we come out with that one. I just think the dark phthalo blue over all those pinks and reds might be nice. Right. Oh, not sure. Do I just keep with the black or this navy colour that let me see this end. Oh, I haven't got enough. Whoop. Okay, give it a try. I'm sure you'll let me know what you think was the better side. I think the navy actually than the phthalo is going to do the trick a little bit better. I've hardly got any left in there. Oh, let's go over you again. Okay, I might go over the whole lot like this, nice and easy peasy. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and staying with me, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It costs you absolutely nothing. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when a new video comes up, because I am always trying new things. Some don't work, some do, but I try and I'll show you tips and tricks of how to get out of problems when you do face them. That isn't, it is this. I have done this one before, and the colours that usually pop up are, let's go. Well, that's not too exciting. I think I haven't pressed far enough. Let's go it again. That's better. Okay. I need to bring some colour up from down here and take it up to the top. Kind of going to do this halo thing, I think. Yeah, the colours are not coming up. Oh, they like I've had them come up before. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe because I used the Floetrol in the base colour, which I've not done before. It's caused it to react differently, but might just keep going with the balloon. Try and bring in some of these colours up. They're all under there, we know that, but just didn't want to actually balloon the whole of the work. I wanted to just kind of do a halo around it, but you know, plans change if you're not getting the results that you thought you would get. I could have played safe and done the same old thing over and over again, but I always try different things, so that's how I want my channel to be. I just want to try different things. I don't want to do same old all the time. Even though I use a balloon a lot, I do it in a lot of different techniques. It's not just the one technique. I try it with everything, and it brings up a different result every time. I like it with that. It's like it's framed. Yeah, the colours look at there, so I think that I may have to let it dry off a little bit. But it's a bit dark, but it is a very good candidate for my son to embellish with something nice. So let me know what you think. Be kind. So thank you guys for joining me. Wait till the end and I will post the finished when it's dried off a bit. If I come back and try and balloon it after it's dried off, and I can get some more of those lovely colours. But it kind of looks like you're looking through this tunnel and the rain at the back. It kind of looks a 3D. So it's not a complete disaster. but it's not one of my best. But there you go. I want you to know that they're not perfect every time. You can keep working it, simply scrape it off, it's only paint. But I'm going to work with this one because I definitely think it could be the base for just a simple embellishment that my son does with his airbrush. So thank you guys for joining me. So bye for now, until next time. Stay safe people and create.
All the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Whoa, I'll be beside you all alone. My love for you is so strong. We're right where we belong. Wander around the same old town. Your best kept secrets underground. Your hand on my chest, my heart beats for you. I keep my arms out and hold you like before.